Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about first steps on Merge by Amazon, what you should do after successful registration process, when it will be available for you to sell on Merge by Amazon, and let's name it Beginner's Guide to Merge by Amazon Sales. So your first steps, what you should do after registration. Yes, of course, registration process isn't very easy too, but about registration I have another video on my channel, so if you want some tips about registration, you should go there. And today we'll talk about what you should do after successful registration. So first, my advice for everyone who is starting to sell on Amazon, on Merge by Amazon, is to read this FAQ, frequently asked questions, because here you can find a lot of very useful info, especially content policy. Content policy, as for me, is the main idea that you should know, and yes, that's not a very big article. Here you can find only some main info. Of course, to explain all these rules, I need to make another video, which will be, I think, an hour or even more in length. But you can understand the main idea even from this article, and it is really very important because if you will not follow these rules, your account on Merge by Amazon will be banned. And as for me, it's better not to have some sales on first stages, but not to have bans too, because it will be very difficult to get some sales on Merge by Amazon if you will be already banned. But of course, not only rules, you can also find here a lot of another good articles, and I really recommend everyone to read these frequently asked questions. That will be really a good idea. And you also can find in an article about royalties that your royalty will be different depending on purchase price. And on Merge by Amazon, you can choose your own price, and the same t-shirt, as we can see here, it can be priced differently. The same t-shirt, but here we can see $80, $19, $16, and another variants, even $25. You can price your shirt exactly as you want, and the difference will be in your royalty. If you price it less, your royalty will be less too. And on Merge by Amazon, now it is a system of tiers, and when you are registered on Merge by Amazon, you will have tier 10. What does it mean? It means that you will have a possibility to upload only 10 different designs to Merge by Amazon. Yes, you can upload it for different products. For example, you can upload the same design on t-shirt, on pullover, on hoodie, tank, or another products and variants that are available on Merge by Amazon. But you will have only 10 available designs. And of course, the main goal on first steps is to go to next tiers, 25 tier, 100 tier, and more. Because before tier 100, you will not get a lot of sales or a lot of money by selling on Merge by Amazon. And to be honest, it's like a marathon. You need to spend on Merge by Amazon a lot of time to get some good revenue, some good profit, and in first months it's often not so easy to get a lot of sales. And your goal on first steps should be not profit, but developing your account, so getting higher tiers. And one of the tips to get your first sales is to set a lower price. So if you have, for example, a price $15 or $16, you will get less in royalties, but you will get some sales, and tires on Amazon work in that way that when you get the same amount of sales as your tire is, you will get new tire. So if your tire now is tire 10, you need to get 10 sales to develop your account to tire 25. And of course you also need to upload all 10 available designs, and in that way, when you will get 10 sales and all designs uploaded that are available for you now, you will get higher tire, not exactly on the same day as you will get this sales, but in a week or in 2 weeks after that you will get your new tire. I also can hear some recommendations that when you are registered on Merch by Amazon, you can buy your own t-shirts, or to ask a friend or some other persons to buy your shorts. And of course, because of that sales, Amazon will develop your account to a new tire. Yes, this variant also works, but I don't think that it's a very good idea, because you need to get organic sales. And when you are doing your first steps on Merch by Amazon, you need to understand what is selling good on Merch by Amazon and how to upload correctly your designs. A couple of words about products. You have a lot of products available on Amazon, and you also can use your design to sell not only on US Amazon, but also on UK, Germany marketplaces, Japan, and some other countries. And as I recommend, you should start with 10 different designs on standard t-shirts for US, and when you will get all of them uploaded, you can then upload some of these designs to another variants, for example premium t-shirts for a hoodie or tank top if it's summer, for example, because you are having not only a limit for a maximum designs amount, but a limit for uploads per day too. And on the first tires you have small amount of uploads every day. For example, for tire 10 you can upload only one product per day. For example, all products for 10 designs, it will be 640 different products, but you can add them only once a day, so it will take you almost 2 years to upload 10 designs for all products if you will not get new tires where upload limits are higher too. But there is also another possibility for a faster upload. If you will get a sale of any design that you have on, for example, US Amazon, it's a very high possibility that Amazon will translate your design, your listing automatically to different marketplaces. For example, if you have some short, some design, and you got your first sale, after that Amazon will create by itself new listings of this design on Germany marketplace, UK marketplace, Japan, and another. So that's why I recommend first of all to upload 10 different designs, then to add different product variants on US marketplace, and after that starting to add some shorts on UK, on Germany, after that Japan, and after that another countries that are available now. And another question about what to upload in the beginning is what kind of designs you should upload first. And in this way I can recommend you to upload 5 evergreen designs and 5 different designs connected with some holidays. Evergreen designs is that kind of design that you can sell any month or any day, that is not seasonal. And of course holiday oriented designs, they are selling only on some holidays. For example, Christmas designs will be selling good only in November and December. And of course, traffic for holiday designs is higher in this period, but when the holiday passes, you should delete all that designs and change them to another ones if you wish to get your new sales. And also, of course, you should watch for competition for your designs. For example, if you want to make some funny Christmas shorts and for example sweet but twisted, and you can also type here sweet but twisted short, and Amazon will show you that here you can find almost 200 of designs. So this design haven't so high competition as, for example, funny Christmas short, because you can see that there are a lot of different designs, and you don't have a lot of possibilities to get your designs even visible, not even mention about some sales for your designs. Especially it is important on first stages, in the beginning of your way on Amazon, to choose less competitive topics and design ideas. So that is the main tips and recommendations for beginners on Merch by Amazon. And I wish you good sales and fast first sales. Subscribe to this channel. We are talking about print-on-demand businesses on different platforms, not only on Merch by Amazon. And see you soon. Bye.